Hi, this is Madam Pamita, and I hope you enjoy this clip from my live magic Q&A. If you'd like to see the full recording of the live magic Q&A, you can do so. All you have to do is be a part of my coven. And to do that, all you have to do is click the link below or go to patreon.com/Madam Pamita. I hope you become a part of my coven and enjoy this clip. I need advice on magic that I can do for getting a good review on a background check for an internship that I want to do in London. Everything is set but that. So background check. Now, you don't really say in your question whether you have something that you're trying to keep covered up or if you just want to make sure that all goes well. So I'll kind of talk about both of those things. When you are doing, let's say, like you want to keep protected or you want to keep hidden, you do protection work with a black candle. So in that case, when you want to do protection work, in general, I guess you could do protection work, but especially if you want to keep something hidden, either yourself or some part of your history or something like that hidden, you want to work with a black candle. So for a situation where you are trying to keep information about yourself quiet, you could use a black figural candle, the black male candle or female candle, however you identify. Pull that candle out and light that candle, and I would use protection oil on that candle. Now, if it's a situation where people are being interviewed or they're doing some background checks where they're interviewing people and you don't want people to say something about you, you don't want them to gossip about you or something like that, then you would use black lips, a lips-shaped candle, and use that protection oil on that candle to keep them from talking. Or you could use stop gossip oil or something like that. You could also burn a gossip stop candle, but a black lips candle with some protection oil would be perfect, or a black figural candle to protect you. Remember, the color black in magic is used for whenever we want to have, it's used for lots of things, control, domination, and so on. But it's also used in spells where we want protection. Because if you think about, like in Harry Potter, that cloak of invisibility, it's like that black allows you to be invisible. And that is what we're trying to do, is to keep any part of your life or anything that you don't want to come out, keeping it invisible, keeping it protected. And so that black candle with that protection oil is perfect for that. So that's what I would recommend, not knowing your particular situation, if that's the case, but in a case where someone wants to keep their business out of the public eye, that's what I would recommend, is using a beautiful black candle for that kind of work and some nice protection oil.